Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. On tonight's video we are going to be making a little bit of a Christmas tree and having a bit of a laugh while we go about it as well. This one's a very simple project. It's more about the decoration than the actual Christmas tree itself, and at the moment I'm just using the Easy Woods mid-size finisher. Just making a very simple Christmas tree on this one. Like I say, it's more about the decoration and having a bit of fun while doing that. What I tend to do normally is I would make the grandkids one of these. I wouldn't paint it, I wouldn't finish it, I'd just finish it as off a tool basically. A little bit of sanding maybe. Just make sure there's no sharp edges, and I'd let them decorate the Christmas tree, put a little star in the top, and yeah, you get the picture. So just creating the little Christmas tree effect at the moment. No major detail. Like I say, it's not about finesse on this one, it's just about a perception of a Christmas tree. And there we go, just getting the different layers in there now. You see, nothing fancy, just a very basic Christmas tree effect. And now with the mid-size rougher, all I'm going to do now is do a couple of plunge cuts, make a relief cut there, and I'm just making the stem of the tree. Once I've got it to the desired width, diameter should I say, I just come back now and I'm making the box that the Christmas tree sits in. And now with the Easy Woods parting tool, I'm not going all the way through. I'm just making a bit of a relief cut now, ready for the sanding with Cling Sport abrasives. Because I'm going to paint this, and I'm going to use Jo Sonjas and have a bit of fun. There is a little bit of an happy accident at the end of this one as well. So I'm going to sand from, I'm going to go from 120 up to 400. So I'm going to use the embellishing lacquer as well. So I'm just taking any little sharp ridges off of there. I also need to get my support fixed to the wall for the sander, for the extraction hose, should I say, not the sander. So there we are, we're done. Now there's the embellishing lacquer. With the Jo Sonjas iridescence. This is the green, obviously because it's a tree. So that's now all painted up, and I'm just going to put some decoration on the bottom. And Yui decided that the base of this should be red, so it's better than blue. So, and just put a couple of tinsel lines on there if you like. That's the red. This is now the gold from memory. And this is the accident. This isn't the iridescent blue. This is the pearlescent blue. I picked up the wrong bottle, wasn't thinking, but I tell you something, I do like the way that pearlescent blue came out. Just alternating the colours. There we go, just painting the underneath now, finishing off the tree with the green. Do put a couple of tinsel lines in it. I do like the way that blue pearlescent is actually working on the colour. So here's the Hampshire Sheen High Gloss Lacquer. Just giving it a quick coat. And yeah, that's it. Quick one tonight, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't already, please hit that like button if you don't mind, and leave us a comment below. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.